Hello and welcome to another update video about RNDR. RNDR is still in a correction consolidation phase. Hasn't really given us much confirmation that this correction is over. I mean, since the last update, I think the support areas, they have not changed. So the main support area here on the larger time frame for a possible wave 4 correction, still located between $3.58 and $1.55 with 236 as 50% retracement. Pretty much ideally it wouldn't break below it. And normally we say that the ideal target for a fourth wave is the 38.2 retracement. That's at 357 and that has been reached already. The reaction to the support level hasn't been impulsive at all. So we have only seen like corrective movements to the upside. So that means I'm watching for potentially a start of that fifth wave, okay, but it's not clear, okay. That's the problem with these corrective movements that are indicated. The overall idea is that we're dealing with a corrective rally to the upside. So overall it's a diagonal pattern, 5 waves, okay, from the 2022 low, but the wave 1 is a 3-wave move, the wave 3 is a 3-wave move, and the wave 5 would be a 3-wave move as well. So the way for me to approach this is to label this as an ABC structure to the upside, which is super messy. So the idea would be we're dealing with an A, B, C structure, which would be a larger A wave. Then we could get a B wave pullback for a C wave up, which would then take us possibly into the $30 region for one more high in this cycle before a major top forms, as indicated here by like the text bull market top question mark. But for now, we're just consolidating, okay? Micro support, I mean, this is the nearest support area I can offer. The price has reacted to it, but I need a little bit more upside momentum to really indicate that this wave C to the upside has started. That would be wave C of A in the yellow scenario where we assume that a wave 4 might have bottomed. Not high probability. I wouldn't say this is like very predictive because the reaction from that low has just been a 3-wave move. Now that doesn't necessarily mean bearish, but it means certainly less clearly bullish because, with a 3-wave move up, it could easily just dip again. It just doesn't give us the confidence to say that, let's say that an uptrend has started or that the trend is up again. It could simply be a consolidation. Visually, nothing makes this different to what happened here. It was also a 3-wave move up back in May. The only difference really is that the overall context, because we've now reached a point where we could say with more confidence that at least the wave 4 structurally could be complete because it's a 3-wave move down and it's reached the main support level. So that means nobody should be surprised if after a reaction to an ideal target, the price turns around. It's just that I haven't got a reliable structure on the smaller time frame that would confirm this at this stage. Important is that if wave 4 has bottomed in yellow on the 5th of August, well, then we need to hold 393, which is the 78.6 retracement. That's the lower boundary line of the upper support area, micro support. And I want to see a break above the last high, which formed in September at around $6.89. That's the update about RNDR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.